Welcome to our guide on how to get the best promo codes from Chase Bank and maximize your account benefits. Promo codes are special codes that allow you to enjoy discounts or bonuses on your Chase Bank accounts. Let's dive into how they work. One easy way to access exclusive promo codes is by signing up for Chase Bank's email newsletters. Utilize Chase's cashback and rewards programs to maximize the benefits for every purchase you make. Make sure to follow Chase Bank on social media for limited-time offers and promo codes. Always check the Chase Bank official website for the latest promotions and updates. Joining online communities and forums can provide you with excellent promo code shares from fellow users. Loyalty apps and websites can also help you find amazing discounts for Chase Bank. Timing your application can help you capitalize on bonuses during promotional periods. So remember to stay informed about future promos to maximize your Chase account benefits. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips.